Question 45. If the correlation coefficient is a positive value, then the slope of the regression line will be what? Okay, so here we have a positive correlation. This is a negative correlation, and this is a zero correlation. Okay? The slope of this positive correlation is positive. The slope of this negative correlation is negative, and the slope of this zero correlation is zero. So if we have a correlation coefficient that is a positive value, then the slope of the regression should also be positive. Okay, so it must also be positive. Yep, that's got to be it. Can either be negative or positive. Nope, it can't be negative. Can be zero. No, that's a zero correlation. Must be negative. Nope, that's for a correlation coefficient that has a negative value. So must be positive is your final answer.